Today, we are discussing the differences between linear and servo motors. A linear motor is an electric motor that still has a rotor and a stator. The clean tubular design makes it easy to install the motor, reducing the footprint and achieving unrivaled force density. Contrary to conventional servo motors solutions, linear motor solutions do not require any mechanical transmission elements, which simplifies the design, which reduces wear to the almost zero and thus minimizing maintenance. A servo motor is a motor capable of controlling parameters like positioning, speed in a rotation motion. A servo motor works as part of a closed loop system providing torque, velocity as commanded from a servo controller, utilizing a feedback device to close the loop. Here at John Brooks, we offer a unique solution for the world-leading brands and with critical units stocked locally in New Zealand. The linear servo motor can mount directly to your application without the need for a mechanical ball screw or belt-driven application. The loads are up to 10 meters per second. The rotational servo motor will control applications where linear movement is not part of the process. Each industry is unique, and our success requires a deep understanding of the challenges you face to reach your goals. John Brooks has developed a comprehensive portfolio and specific industry expertise in applying technologies to improve machine and manufacturing performance spread across 3 branches. If you're not sure which motor to select, contact your local branch and a John Brooks representative will be in contact to discuss your needs and requirements.